Sanibona bafethu uvane lo. Sathanda ukuthola umbiko ke la ngomdlali odlalela eNigeria. Isithenjwa leseNigeria bafethu amshoni senizwile le indaba lezi kuthiwa uVictor Osimhen ngeke aze abe khona kwi-game abazoyidlala against iBafana Bafana. Now la umbiko uphumile kuthiwa Victor Osimhen will not travel with the Super Eagles to South Africa for Tuesday's clash against iBafana Bafana. The team doctor confirmed he has a chin bruise and woke up with a discomfort this morning, according to iNFF. Ngingazi bafuna ama-mind games lawa ngenzeka phela ukuthi kuba ama-mind games bafuna ukwenze iBafana Bafana isukurelaxa kancane. But ke noma kunjalo noma bangashaya ama-mind games iBafana Bafana currently ngokubona kwami I think they are ready to face iNigeria. I don't think iNigeria after the way they played against Rwanda, you saw igame yabo against Rwanda, they didn't look like a team engakwazi ukurepresent iAfrica le World Cup. Even if they win against iBafana Bafana, I don't think they still stand a chance to even finish at number 2. Yabo ikhona iBenin nayo idlala kahle iBenin. So kuzoba nzima impela for iNigeria ukuthi ifike la eSouth Africa ezodlala ithole iwin. Yabo judging by squad eBafana Bafana, indlela eBafana Bafana idlala ngakhona currently, the players we have emuva siqine kakhulu emuva. Siqine kakhulu kunomdlalo nje oyedwa ebengifuna ukumbona phethe edlala against Victor Osimhen. Yabo ngokwami I was really hoping to see Victor Osimhen yabo egadulisana phezulu benombokazi. Yona nje into esiyifuna as ama-fans ebhola la South Africa sibona umbokazi evala uVictor Osimhen. Yabo but ke uVictor Osimhen wafethu ulimele bazoba nama excuses ke ama-fans aseNigeria azoba nama excuse mase siyishayile iNigeria kuthiwa hayi uVictor Osimhen bengekho but ke iNigeria nabo abadlali bafethu abayi-quality because kusikhathi sabo bekhona uLookman, kube khona uSimon, kube khona uNdidi, yabo kube khona uKelvin Bassey la abadlala le ku Fulham. Yabo abadlali bangempela laba banabo abadlali abangayinika inkinga iBafana Bafana, but angibasabi as iBafana Bafana. I don't think iBafana Bafana they are scared of these guys. Kukhona nabo iwobi lapha fethu iwobi niyabazi ke bafethu badlala ku Premier League, yabo. So ungabi khona kwakhe uVictor Osimhen mhlambe imorale ya iNigeria izothi ukwehla, but ke thina we are ready for anything. Siya ku World Cup. Le game iNigeria, it's a must win game for iBafana Bafana to qualify. Even though sihleli number 1, sihleli comfortably, but ke asifuna usiloke sifiyela kumele siyiwine nje le game sisheshe siqede indaba yokuqualify for World Cup. Sesidlalela nje lama games a remainayo kwi FIFA World Cup, yabo.